Hello and welcome to video two, the lab, the lab, the lab. Oh, okay, so here, create a Microsoft 365 account, go for least charging license, like $9 per month. Now, it's good to have a Microsoft 365 account first, and then use the username of that Microsoft 365 account to create an Azure platform account, right? But yeah, then you have to purchase, and there's a monthly fee for that account. You can directly create an Azure platform account as well with the free trial version. Let me just check that with the Copilot. Let's get used to this generative AI. Bring me the Azure free trial account license. Let's see if it brings. Yeah, so the Azure free trial is designed for new customers to explore Microsoft Azure services with no upfront cost. Um, Spending protection and how to sign up. Yeah, there it is. So Azure free trial account, try Azure for free. Now, what I was talking okay. So here, I'll be, sharing the slide with you, or you can just put in the comments, hey, can you share the slide with me, and I'll just share with you. Um, so either you can create directly an Azure platform account. If you haven't created that account before, ever, because whenever you created this account before, you must have used your name, your credit card, your phone number, your address. So obviously, Microsoft will detect when you're trying to create this free trial account again, and it's not gonna let you do that ever again, ever again, ever again. Okay. So that's why most probably you may have created this account before. If you haven't, then just go directly to this link and or just ask ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot that just give me a free trial account URL and then go there and then try to create your free trial account for 1 month. After that, it's going to convert to pay as you go anyway. But if you have created that account already once in your life, then yeah, you could just create directly a pay as you go account. I would prefer to go first with Microsoft 365 account with the least charging subscription, and then the resulting account that gets created from there for Microsoft 365, use that one to create Microsoft Azure cloud account, right? Because I've created so many times, Microsoft knows that it doesn't let me create a free trial account ever again. So I I'm just going through this way. So yeah, I mean, just creating a new account should not be a big issue for you. Just go ahead and use this link to either create a new account or just, uh, you know, create first a Microsoft 365 account. I've gone for E5, this one, Enterprise 5, and it's $9 per month. I think this is not Enterprise 5. This is personal account, but you can go for E5 account as well. This is not E5 for Enterprise 5. Enterprise 5 is like $75. This is like personal account, right? Just for myself. But from that account, after it was created and I went to monthly charges, I created this free account. I'll just go to that site and sign up, go to sign up, and then when it asks for username, just put this username which you have there for Microsoft 365. Otherwise, just create your own new username here when you're creating a free trial account, right? All right, but um you have to mention you have to mention your credit card info because they need to know. Oh, credit card info because they need to know you are who you say you are. Okay. So we will do the labs in a way that minimal charges will incur, for example, $10, $20 per month. I mentioned that in the previous video as well, that keep in mind that you're going to learn something that's going to give you a very good job in future. So you need to invest something now to get a better paying job sooner. So for that, yes, this much per month you should expect. If you go with this, already it's $9 per month, and then whatever separate charges that incur, if you exactly follow how I am doing the labs, then definitely it won't go more than $10 or $20 for the Azure platform related labs, right? Okay, so well, if I go to my um, you know, so this is the E5 Azure account, but I went for just the $9 one personal. So if I go to plans and prices, and there's that $8 account, right? With taxes, it goes to $9. So I just went for this F3. Wow, it has lots of applications. I think I didn't go for this one. Hey. Okay, anyway, yeah, so you can just go for whichever is charging you $9 or $8, and then later you need to reach this Azure platform dashboard, um, and for that you need to sign up. You, you go to sign in, and then there it asks for sign up as well. But if you're going for the first time, it's try pay Azure for free. Otherwise, it's pay as you go. If I click the pay as you go, then it just takes us to, hey, you want to pay as you go, then you need to upgrade your account and put your credit card information there, right? So I'll just try to go back if it lets me. Yeah, so I'm just gonna close that. So yeah, if we go back here and talk about the lab, then you need to create your Azure platform account and connect your credit card to it by going to this try Azure for free and just follow the instructions there. Like I'm just logged into it already. That's why it's saying that, hey, you need to not use this user account. The Azure free account is only available to new users and is limited to one per customer. So, so that's the thing. Either you can go for try Azure for free, or just the way I told you that create a cheap Microsoft 365 account and then go for Azure account and connect to it as well, right? So once that is done, then you should be landing on this Azure dashboard, and the dashboard looks like this. And there is Microsoft Azure written here, and there is that portal menu, right? And it shows all the access to resources of Microsoft Azure platform, IaaS, right? Infrastructure as a service. So I wanted this course to be to the point and straightforward without much of extra stuff. But obviously, whatever necessary theory there needs to be, I will be going for that. But yes, these are some simple ways to create the account. If you have any issues, you could just put in the comment section and I'll help you. Um, and once you've created your account, then you should be landing on this page. If you're on this page, then you're good to go for the labs and we can start the labs, right? So this is it for the lab. That's how your lab should be, and it should be you should be landing here. I'm gonna also check that if I have added my credit card or not. Otherwise, I will be adding here as well, so I could start using it. Okay, so that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the video. It really encourages me to keep creating more videos with latest labs, hands-on labs, step-by-step labs. So see you in next video. Video.